In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Edge in Windows 11 or 10 to fix all Edge errors. Whether you're experiencing sluggish performance, unexpected crashes, or just want a fresh start, resetting Microsoft Edge is a straightforward way to resolve many common issues. Let's guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do at every turn. To begin, we need to open the Microsoft Edge browser. If it's not already on your taskbar, you can easily find it by typing Edge into the search bar on your Windows taskbar. Once it's open, direct your gaze to the upper right corner of the window, where you'll find the three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Settings, which will open a new window or tab within Edge detailing various configuration options. With the settings page open, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll need to scroll down until you find Reset Settings. This section is key to restoring Edge to its default state. Once you've located it, click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see the option titled Restore Settings to their default values. Clicking on this will prompt a warning message reminding you that this action will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs, but it won't delete your browser history, saved passwords, or bookmarks. After reviewing this information, if you're ready to proceed, click Reset. It's as simple as that. Microsoft Edge will now begin the process of restoring its settings, hopefully eliminating any persistent errors you were experiencing. If resetting does not resolve the issues, you may wish to reinstall Microsoft Edge entirely. To do this, first navigate to the control panel on your computer. You can find it by searching control panel in your taskbar. Once there, click on Programs, followed by Programs and Features. Here you'll see a list of installed applications. Locate Microsoft Edge, select it, and then click the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. Afterwards, visit Microsoft's official website to download the latest version of Microsoft Edge. This ensures you're using the most up-to-date and secure version of the browser. Simply find the download link, typically located on the home page, and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Alternatively, if you want to try a less drastic measure first, there's also the option to repair the existing Edge installation. This repair feature attempts to fix any issues without the need for a full reinstallation. You'll see the repair option in the Programs and Features section next to the Uninstall option. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to having a smoothly running Microsoft Edge browser once again. Thank you for watching and good luck with your troubleshooting.